the insider trading charges against Galleon Group co-founder Raj Rajaratnam. He has just started that trial. Jury selection is today. And the trial, the story, it involves everyone from Lloyd Blankfein to Warren Buffett. You throw in wiretaps, sex, billions of dollars, and you've got the makings of what sounds like a Hollywood courtroom drama. Jury selection underway right now. Our John Erlichman is at the Lower Manhattan Courthouse. John, what's the latest?
Margaret, things about to get started officially 10 o'clock Eastern time. We can tell you that Raj Rajaratnam has been inside for now an hour and 20 minutes. Our team's been keeping an eye on him in the courtroom. Of course, there are no phones allowed in the courtroom. But the bottom line, you're right. Today will be about the jury because ultimately this trial will be heard by 12 jurors. They've got a pool right now of about 150 people. So both sides have to be comfortable with that jury pool, and they'll spend the next few days figuring out who exactly is going to hear this trial. After that, we get to the much meatier stuff. You just gave a nice tease there. And over the next few weeks, we're going to hear all those details. But this could take a while, perhaps 6 weeks, perhaps 8 weeks, perhaps 10 weeks to get through all those details. Margaret?
And John, there are so many storylines within this case. What's really going to define it?
Well, as far as whether or not Raj Rajaratnam ends up going to jail, the evidence, you've heard people say the evidence is stacked against him. There are two parts to that Evans story. First, there are the wiretaps, the hours of conversations between Rajaratnam and his alleged sources. The defense will say, look, why do we need so many hours of tape presented in court to prove your case? Meanwhile, the other part of the evidence story, of course, is those people who ultimately testify against Rajaratnam who have already pled guilty. Of course, the big question there for the defense is, well, how do we treat that? You will likely hear the defense say, you know what, these people are testifying against Rajaratnam because they cut a deal. But lots of twists and turns ahead. Margaret?
All right, John Erlichman there in Lower Manhattan. Thank you.